Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written. Given the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. So by using that we need to find the area of the quadrant of a circle. So let's write down the given data, which is circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. We know that the formula to find the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So let's say 2 pi r is equals to 44 centimeter. Now find the radius of the circle using this now. So we know that the pi value is 22 by 7. So if we substitute pi is equals to 22 by 7, we'll get 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 44. And 2 times of 22 is 44 divided by 7 into r. 7 into r is equals to 44. See here we have a 44 in both sides, so just cancel those 44 and we'll get r is equals to 7 centimeter. So which is the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So now we need to find the area of the quadrant of the circle. So what is quadrant? So in area generally in circle we have 4 equal quadrants are there. In circle we'll have 4 equal quadrants. So we just need to find the area of one quadrant. So the total circle area, the area of total circle is pi r square, and area of a quadrant of the circle means 1/4 of, because we have 4 quadrants, so 1/4 of the area of circle, so which is 1/4 into pi r square. 1/4 into pi r square. So the area of the quadrant of the circle is 1/4 into pi r square. Here the pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius which we have got is 7 centimeter. So 7 square. So if we simplify this, we'll get 1/4 into 22 by 7 into 49, because 7 square is 49. So we have 7 in the denominator, so 7 sevens are 49, and simplify 22 and 4. So 2 times of 2 is 4 and 2 times of 11 is 22. So we'll get 77 by 2, or if we divide this, we'll get 38.5. So we can conclude that the area of the quadrant of the circle is 77 by 2 centimeters square, or 38.5 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.